It's the backbone of our economy, small business, employing more than 58 million men and women, half the nation's workforce. Though profitability and customer growth can be hard to achieve, a growing number of small businesses are making success a reality thanks to one leading-edge small business software solution, a solution that's boosting profits and the bottom line.
2020 was a game changer for business, period. Big business all the way down to small business. And the feedback that we've gotten from our existing Thryv users is this software was a game changer for them. It helped them stay organized. It helped them communicate the very basic things on my hours of operation now have changed to, hey, we're open. This is a standard protocol. It's continuing on because of the new demands and new requirements.
Before Thryv, we had a difficult time keeping track of emails, text messages. With Thryv, everything's in one place. We just go to their client portal and all the information is at our fingertips. It's freed up our hands to grow our business and concentrate on what we do best, making good food and putting on great parties.
When we release Thryv, now it allows a business owner, small business owner, to create those efficiencies, deliver a better experience, and provide a consistent approach from being found on the web to scheduling an appointment, to capturing that customer's information, knowing what they bought, getting paid faster, asking for a review, and getting them to come back. Now that's all in one platform in an efficient, succinct, simple way.
Taking control for any small business struggling for success is paramount. But without proper navigation, it can lead to feeling lost along the way. Without direction, one driven by clear, confident, and proven process, a small business can not only feel lost, some will even fail.
Thryv drives efficiency for the bottom line, period. Not only does it create a more organized business, it gives them a 360-degree look on total customers. What is their customer count at the end of 2020? What could it be on 2021? It is driving business decisions all in one platform.
Every small business has unique challenges. Discovering, then implementing best management tools for best process, practices, and best bottom line.
Thryv has a lot of different offerings that small businesses love. Staying organized, communicating with their clients, and getting paid faster. Staying organized, that's a really difficult thing, and Thryv allows you to do that from one place, whether it be on your desktop or on your phone. You've got a calendar, ways that you can manage your entire team. It's like having an office administrator doing this work for you from your phone. You can do all of your communication with your clients through this one app or through your actual phone. It's a really simple software, and then getting paid faster ultimately is everyone's big deal. So I think that using the invoices and billing feature has been something that has been greatly beneficial to our small business owners.
Some of the struggles of being a small business owner is obviously growing pains. For me, I'm doing so many different things as a business owner. I had to get Thryv to help schedule and book things on my calendar. I have a social media boosting campaign that they boost. My name is Casey, and Thryv has helped me bring in new leads and strengthen my brand as a whole.
When small businesses come to us, it's a new idea having a calendar digitally or operating your business from your phone. So not only are they looking for a platform to be a little bit more effective and a little bit more efficient and meet consumer demands, they're also looking for support, guidance along the way. So as their business expands, they have a platform that they can grow into.
Thryv is cloud-based, and there's a lot of advantages to that. We are secure. We have actually something called Thryv Pay. We even have HIPAA compliance, so there are some people in the medical industry that previously maybe were a little bit skeptical to use these types of services. I think that it is the right thing to do in today's day and age.
Thryv outperforms when others fall short.
With the convenience of online conversations and texting, emails, document sharing, Thryv allows our salespeople to be completely connected 24/7. My name is Joanna Pearson from Pristine Chapel, and Thryv's two-way communication is an easy, organized way for our team to stay in contact with brides and wedding planners at all times.
The global pandemic had a massive shift on the world. It was an inflection point in the entire global economy. Contact with other people was dangerous. People started to realize that they needed to be able to reach their customers as efficiently, if not more efficiently than before, in a safe way. Something that Thryv champions is the ability to do that, and it's all in one place so that you can communicate, do business efficiently, and not miss a beat.
To find out how Thryv is helping small business across America and how it can help yours succeed, visit thryv.com. That's THRYV.com. And to see this segment again, visit designingspaces.tv.